First thing we'll notice is this beautiful deck right here. Sliding glass entry up front. Let's take off our shoes. Guys, small, beautiful living room. You have the AC unit up here on the wall, heating and cooling, beautiful ceiling fan, tons of light in this one. Tons of light. So just picture a little living room, TV position somewhere, probably here, or how about right there above your mini breakfast bar, little dinette. Everything here has a purpose. So check out how much light this is in this unit. Beautiful. Tons of natural light. The kitchen cabinets, you even got a dishwasher, 2-burner stove, big microwave, and a residential fridge right here, guys. Tons of storage as far as cabinetry goes. Little cooktop area. You can even have like a little extender here, little chair, couch in this area. Let's make our way back here to the bedroom, and then I'll show you the price. So you got 2 bunks here on your right hand side. Another huge skylight, guys. These are perfect for campgrounds or park models. Make our way into the beautiful bathroom. Check out that shower head. Would you live here? Massive. It feels massive is what I'm saying. You got room down here, little basket, clothes, whatever it may be, storage. But if you go here, these are your bunks. Somebody sleeping up top with a plug. Down bottom, they have their own little thing there. You also have a pocket door here. So you have this pocket door as well as this pocket door. So you do get a little privacy in between these 2 areas, but not much, right? But check this out. Check this out. Master, another heating, cooling unit here. TV, mount, little shelves, big bench for storage. Your breaker box, guys, it is fully ready for you to live in. I'm gonna just step back, show you the fan, the room. It is absolutely gorgeous. Would you live in this? Do you want to know the price? Let me know down in the comments. How much do you think this costs? I'm gonna show you the price here. All right, here we go. We got the paperwork right here. The price is $109,915. Making money, $100,000. I don't know. You can go get a couple trailers for that, but this is a beautiful home. I do know that. Hit subscribe and check out the next video because it's for you. I'll see you next time. My name is Alvin.